Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to receive Tron on Binance. Let's start this video. First open your Binance application, then go to your wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to click on deposit, and on the top you have to search Tron. Then you have to click on TRX or Tron. Now choose the right network. In this case I am selecting BNB Smart Chain as an example. Now here's the main part. Now that you have gotten the deposit address, just copy it like this and then paste it into the app from where you want to transfer Tron in your Binance account. Note that you have to also select the same network as BNB Smart Chain as you have selected in the Binance. After doing that, you will receive Tron on your Binance account. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.